Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another monthly favourites video. I realise we still have a few days left of August, but I thought that I would do it this week because this is the last Sunday of the month. And today I'm going to do a little bit of a theme. So I'm going to maybe do this every so often, is do a theme to a favourites video. So if you have a particular theme that you would love to see, or equally any products that you would like me to review in particular, leave me a comment down below and let me know. But this month's theme is going to be cotton. So I do have three cotton yarns that I'm going to talk to you about today, and two of them are 100% cotton and one of them is a cotton blend. Now when I think of cotton yarn, I kind of think of like spring, summer projects. And we're probably a bit late in the year to be talking about this, but I just felt really inspired to talk about cotton. I have phases of going through things that I love, and this is something that I'm loving at the moment. So the first one that I'm going to talk about is a 100% cotton yarn, and you've heard of me talk about this brand before, but I talked about the merino yarn. This is the naturally soft cotton, 100% cotton. It's a sport weight. It comes in 50 grams and it's just really pretty. I'm going to show you these three colours here because they are just so nice. I'm just so predictable when it comes to colours that I love, but these are just gorgeous. I mean, how nice does it go with this room? I might have to make something for this room. But these are really nice. This top one is called, let me see. So this one is called Rustic Rose, this one is called English Rose, and then this one is called Sweet Pea. So those three are absolutely gorgeous, and I think these retail for around $4.49, something like that. So as always, I'll leave links in the description box below, but I love this and I love these colours in particular. The next 100% cotton yarn that I have been loving, and I've mentioned this definitely before, is the Stylecraft Classic Cotton. This is a DK and it comes in some really lovely colours, and it comes in, why can't I see? I think this is a 50 gram ball. Yes, a 50 gram ball. Really lovely colours again. Love these. I actually quite like it with the blue as well. I have some other colours here as well. This is just a really nice versatile yarn that you can use for different things. It would be really nice with the coasters pattern. I don't have them with me, I did look for them, but I've got some coasters which were made in the Paintbox Simply Cotton Aran weight yarn. I'll try and insert a picture here so that you can see them, but they turned out really nice. So I also love that yarn as well, the Paintbox. And then another yarn which is actually a 50% cotton, 50% acrylic, so it's got a nice sort of blend to it, and I've definitely spoken about this one before, but this is the Yarn and Colours Fabulous. I just absolutely adore it. It is actually a chunky yarn. It's really nice to work with. I've started a few different projects with this and really liked the way that it's turned out. It's just nice and soft. Sometimes with cotton yarn it can kind of split a little bit as you're using it, but this one doesn't so much. So if you are kind of just venturing into using cotton yarns, I would really recommend this one to start with because it's a bit thicker and it doesn't split as much as you're using it. So they are a few of the yarns that I've been loving. Remember, if there is a particular theme that you would like me to do one month for my monthly favourites, let me know in the comments below and I'll try my best to put something together for you. So something else which I've been waiting for it to arrive for so long, really excited about it. It arrived about a week or so ago now, and I just didn't get a chance to look at it because my little girl was poorly and I just didn't get a chance to do anything at all. But this is the 12 months of crochet with Red Agape If you don't follow Mandy on Instagram, I'll leave her link in the description box below, but she has an amazing Instagram page. She just has the workspace to die for when it comes to crochet. Just yarn everywhere, really pretty colours, and this is a really nice book. It would make an amazing Christmas present for somebody who wants to get into crochet or already loves crochet and maybe wants to get some ideas of new patterns and things. She has some really nice tips in the front, even talking about colours and putting colours together, and then she goes through different patterns by season, so spring, summer, autumn, winter, and it's just a really pretty book. So congratulations, Mandy, on this, because it's really amazing, and I can only imagine how hard you worked on this. Again, this month I featured in the Your Crochet and Knitting magazine, and this month I did a stitch tutorial, which you can find the video tutorial on my channel. I did that a couple of weeks ago, so you can check that out. And just one exciting thing for next month's magazine, I mean, the colours for next month are just absolutely beautiful. But look, I only actually saw this morning. That's me and my little girl. Like I said, Ella has actually been really poorly, and when this came out we were just smack bang in the middle of all that happening, so I never got a chance to actually look through the magazine properly, and I've only just seen this, so that's really exciting to see her on there, and she just looks really cute. But just look how gorgeous those colours are. So this is the kit that you're going to get with it. I will mention that this magazine is only available in the UK at the moment, because it is a new magazine, and then hopefully it will be available worldwide at some point, so fingers crossed. But I have really been enjoying doing some content for this magazine. I also want to talk about a few little things as well, so a few updates, because I know you guys like to be kept updated with things that are going on. So the first one is my website. I have been working so hard to try and get this website the way that I want it to be. Everything is pretty much set up, but I'm just trying to add a bit more content in there, so that there's content on there that I can also keep adding to as well, so new photos and different bits like that. So fingers crossed that will be ready soon. I thought it was going to take me like a week to do, but I don't want to rush it. I want it to be the way that I want it to be. So I'm just going to continue to work on that, and hopefully that will be ready in a few weeks time, and I will keep you updated of when it goes live. Also, another super exciting thing, which I have actually not mentioned in a video on this channel, and now I've put it in the community area and I've put it on Facebook and Instagram and things, but I have been shortlisted for the British Knitting and Crochet Awards, which is amazing. So I would absolutely love it if you voted for me. The voting has actually been going on for a while, but it finishes at the end of this month, so the end of August, and I would love it if you pop across and give me a cheeky little vote if you enjoy the content that I bring you sort of on this channel and on my blog and things. So I'm in the best blogger, crochet blogger section, so there are a few different ones that you do have to go through, but you can choose, and yeah, it goes till the end of this month. I think you do have to be in the UK to cast your vote, because it is a British awards, but I would absolutely love it if you went across, just took 5 minutes of your time and voted for me. It would mean the world to me. So let's move on to Instagram accounts that I have been loving, and I'm going to grab my phone for this because one of them I have actually just recently found, like today, and I just kind of fell in love with it, so I wanted to make sure that I spoke about it. It is actually the account isn't an English based account, but let's be real, when it comes to images and things, we all speak the same language, don't we? So this is an account by a guy called Marcelo, and forgive me if I'm pronouncing this incorrectly, I will leave the actual picture here, but this is called Princey Del Crochet, I think. And he just has the most amazing pictures, and it's just really, really cute. And I love the little baby Groot. Yeah, just really, really cute. So go across and say hello to him. And then the other account that I've been loving is Gemma at Bella Loves Fred Crochet. She again has some really, really lovely projects. Really lovely oh gosh, I can't speak. She has some really lovely projects. Especially the lion. I really like the lion, that's really cute. So if you go across and check either of those accounts out, make sure that you say that I sent you and say hello from me. And then finally we have the winner of BCC Org 18, which is a little giveaway that I do every month on my channel just to say thank you for watching my videos, subscribing, etc. And the winner, this is in keeping in the cotton theme this month, and the winner for this month is Crooked River Crochet. She has made a beautiful blanket, and she has used the pom-pom border tutorial to do her border for that blanket, and it's just turned out really, really pretty. And she has used the Paintbox Cotton DK and the Wonderlust collection, so I'll leave a link in the description box for that. But congratulations to you. I shall be in touch on Instagram to send you your prize. So if you want to be in with a chance of winning next month, just use hashtag BCCSept18. I'll leave it on the screen here, and just tag any of your photos where you've used my tutorial or where you've used my pattern. I would absolutely love to see, and I will scroll throughout the month and pick my favourite. So there we go, they are my August favourites. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with all my latest videos. And if you are already subscribed, click that bell button because you will get a notification of when my new videos go live, because apparently some of you don't actually get them anymore. And it's surprising how many people don't know that I actually restarted my tutorials in January after having Ella last year when I had a few months off, which is absolutely crazy. So yes, make sure that you click that bell button. Let me know that you're in the notification club. Thank you so much again for watching, and I shall see you again next time. Bye!